Day 2 ng impeachment hearing, ano ang assessment natin dito? Ito po si Attorney Mike Operario. Pag-usapan natin yan. Alam nyo dito sa impeachment hearing ito on Day 2, it just began and ended just I expected. Kagaya po ng sinabi ko sa inyo noon, this is going to be so insignificant itong hearing na ito. Sapagkat wala naman talagang totoong ebidensya dito na dapat pang pag-usapan kasi pinag-uusapan lang dito sa haba po ng proseso na yun, ng proceedings na yan kaninang umaga. Alam niyo kung anong pinag-uusapan dyan? Kung totoo ba na merong Facebook video si BP Sara Duterte. At yun lamang po yung pinag-uusapan doon. Hindi pa po yan pumapasok doon sa elemento ng kung yung anuman ang sinabi ni BP Sara doon ay bawal ba, illegal ba, o may isa bang sapat na ground for impeachment. So, ang napansin ko lang dito, baka it may have missed your attention, ay the way that the prosecution is presenting their case. Consistent ito with their opening day nung day 1. It is full of theatrics. Kitang-kita nyo doon sa presentation pa lamang ni Congressman Defensor, yung opening statement niya doon sa pag-i-introduce ng Article 4 of their impeachment. Nagdadrama siya, kitang-kita nyo yung dramatics niya, yung the voice modulation, pati yung barilan sa Tacloban, ikinonect na dito sa impeachment. Alam niyo, pag ang layo-layo na talaga, pero talagang gusto kasi na it's all about theatrics, it's all about drama. And it appears na ito yung strategy that they have agreed upon to employ to be as dramatic as possible. Alam nyo, kapag ang mga abogado o yung mga nagpe-presenta ng ebidensya is resorting to emotional, appealing to emotion or mga paawa effect, mga drama, ang ibig sabihin yan, wala silang ebidensya. And this is the reason why they began with Article 4 of yung kanilang impeachment. Nagtataka nga ako, bakit ito? Kasi usually, you should begin with the strongest case. And biglang nag-umpisa sila dito, and I don't think that this is the strongest case for an impeachment against BP Sara because merong legal argument dito. So, why did they present this? Bakit itong inuna nila? Well, it's because this is the only case that they have an available witness at may malinaw na ebidensya na hindi sila mapapahiya. Because this witness from the NBI, for all of the fanfare and tagal-tagal ng proceedings and objections and everything, all he has to testify is that mayroong Facebook post po. Yun lang po yun. Pero, syempre, kung ako naman yung abogado ng depensa, ay pahihirapan ko yung prosecution in presenting him as an expert witness. Bakit kita bibigyan ng free ride? Diba? Dapat pagtrabahuhan mo yung ibabayad sa inyo ng taong bayan. At sila, alam niyo, yung private prosecutors dito, ay sinusweldohan po ng Republika ng Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng House of Representatives. They have allocated a certain budget for payment sa lahat ng mga lawyers na nandito. So, tama naman ang strategy nila, Attorney Narvasa and the rest of the defense panel, na pahirapan sila tungkol dito. But everybody knows, yung lahat ng lawyers na nandun, that sanay na po kami dyan sa mga ganyan, mga presentation ng expert witnesses, yung mga cyber libel cases, mga testimonya ng to verify yung mga videos. This is a common thing. In ordinary cases usually ginagawa na lang ng mga abogado dyan o mag-stipulate na lang tayo para hindi na ipresenta. They could have stipulated on it, but why will I give them a free ride? Diba? Paghirapan nyo yan. Pero I don't really think that it is significant. And yung sa kabilang panig naman, consistent pa rin yung defense. Not too much drama, not too much rhetoric. It's straightforward legal objections, and they just did their job. Although kanina para kasing siguro because mas experience itong siligutan kaysa kay Attorney Narvasa, kaya parang feeling yung merong upper hand itong si Attorney Ligutan, but in reality wala po itong naging epekto doon sa overall presentation of the evidence, because well, it's not really, it's a non-issue, ano. Ang gusto lamang talaga nila dito, the way that the prosecution presented their evidence, makita nyo, is yung rhetorics, yung drama. Even Attorney Ligutan, mapapansin nyo, sa kanyang speech, ano, I call it speech kasi para siyang hindi presentation of evidence, ano, because he is appealing not just to the judges. Mapansin nyo, he keeps on referring to it as mga kababayan ko, nanunood ang taong bayan, di ba? And the way that the voice is being modulated is as if they are presenting it before a political stage. And I think this is what it is. Ano? They thought that through this impeachment, they will have a political stage. Because the objective here is not really to impeach Sara Duterte. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga sa inyo, there is no way that they can impeach Sara Duterte with the current composition of the Senate. And with the ruling of the presiding chair at this time, 16 ang threshold ng boto na kailangan para i-convict si Sara Duterte. Now, there is now a petition before the Supreme Court at na dinagdag na nga ito, yung mga recent development nito doon sa mga to be resolved by the Supreme Court. Pati na nga po itong paghahalal nila ng hiwalay na presiding officer and all other issues ngayon at isinumite sa Korte Suprema. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, itong ginawa nila ito, an opening day by electing a presiding officer, nagdagdag lang sila ng bala dito sa defense panel and all the supporters of Sara Duterte na mag-file sa Supreme Court. Ano, at yun na nga yung nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. Now, whether or not the Supreme Court will act on it immediately, that remains to be seen. But as of the moment, I don't see the prosecution even on day 2 gaining ground insofar as their petition or their impeachment is concerned. Again, ang masama na naman ito is the optics. Ano? Sabi nga sa inyo, dalawang korte ang nag-hearing nito, no? The Senate and the Bar of Public Opinion. In the optics, tuntua akong binabasa na naman yung mga memes ninyo tungkol kay Senator Win Gatchalian. Talagang buong araw, pag tinitingnan ko yung kanyang mga memes, natatawa na lang po talaga. At totoo po yun. Halos, alam ko na kasi magiging ending ng proceedings na yan sa Senado. Hindi ko na pinapanood yung proceedings. Alam niyo sino tinitingnan ko? Si Win Gatchalian, kung anong ginagawa niya. Kala ko nga nagsisirok siya doon sa gilid eh. But kidding aside, you know, ang nangyari nito is that this impeachment trial has turned into a meme factory. It turned into a joke. Ano, nagtatawanan na lang yung mga tao because people know hindi naman talaga ma-impeach si Sara Duterte dito. And everybody there knows yun ang mangyayari dyan. Hindi ma-impeach si Sara Duterte dito. They were just hoping that they will be able to destroy Sara Duterte enough through this impeachment. Kaya pinapagpatuloy pa rin to. But I think the opposite is happening right now. Because of this presentation na ito, lalo lang nagiging negatibo ang perception sa prosecution at sa administrasyon ni BBM. At lalong nagiging mukhang hero itong ating BP Sara Duterte. At yun nga, yung optics, kahapon may naglalaway, kanina naman mayroong tumutulo ang sipon. So, this is really turning out to be a publicity and public relations nightmare for the prosecution. So, even on day 2, I don't think they have gained any ground as of the moment. So, tayong lahat, well, dito lang tayo. Let's keep on watching. Let's keep on engaging. Magpatuloy kayo sa pag-engage dito. Ipaalam ninyo sa mga senador at sa administrasyon na ito na alam natin kung ano ang nangyayari sapagkat tayo'y patuloy na nagmamasid, nakikilahok, nag-aaral. Kasi alam nating lahat, mahirap makialam ang taong walang alam. So, God bless you. God bless us all. Mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas. We are the resistance.